Hello, my people. Welcome back to my channel again. It's your baby, your sister, Happy Seller Entertainment. Yes, so I bring to you real estate, land, and property. You when they find where to invest. This is an opportunity for you to invest. This is an opportunity for you to rock life. Yes, real estate is the best. The reason why I say real estate is the best, if you are living here in Europe, you want to go back home, you are going to get 24 hours light supply, good road, then good networking, water, and all. Why not invest now? Why not invest now? See as they look me. Invest today. Yes, invest today. P1 real estate is the best. P1 real estate is the best. The reason why I say is the best, once you buy land from real estate, once you buy land from every real estate, you have your title of ownership, you have all the documents with you. For those living in Europe, you don't need to be afraid. What you just do before you buy the land or you start paying for it, you look for somebody from your family or anybody you trust for them to go and check the land. After checking the plot of the land, they will tell you it is good. They will send you the video, not just going there. Then you yourself will know this place will be okay for me. If it is a place that where you want to develop quick, you can swear to it, pay for it, start developing it. If you don't want to develop it quickly, maybe you want to leave it like a year, 2 year, you can start paying, as in you pay for it small. You tell the company you cannot, as in maybe you don't have the whole money to pay for it, you want to start paying 100k, 200k, 500k, depend on the price of the land and how developed the area is. You can start paying for the plot of land little by little. Then you register. How you go about it, you register. Then after registration, they will give you this form. Before registration, this is the form for registration. This is the document for your plot. They have different plot. This is the document for your plot. You start paying for it. Then the more you pay, they will send you email. You understand? This one is for Lagos, Benin, Asaba. I have them here. Yes, it is better. I advise you today, go for real estate. Stop buying land from hand to hand. It is good when your family member are there. You know they can defend you. You know they can stand by you whenever things occur. It is better. Why I'm saying this, because most land, after buying it for 5 years, I have a testimony here. After buying it, for there was one girl that was sharing her own experience on this land to me. She bought land 3 years ago, which is her husband bought land 3 years ago. Do you know, about 2 months ago they refund this lady's money? The family that own the land, they said they are no longer selling this land, that it was their father that sold it out. Maybe their father sold it out because of them, but now when they now know that the area which is where the plot is now expensive, they now came back to this guy and said, we are no longer buying, this is your money, take your money. That was how they refund the money back to this man. They were lucky because the whole money they used to buy it, everything was returned today, while some of them, they will not even return their money. You will be the one to go to court. Maybe court will put it for 5 years time. Imagine the money you'll be using to for going to church. Before you know, you'll be discouraged. You will not buy land, you will not build the house, you will be paying money for courts. Even the money you used to buy land, you did not see it. What is the need of wasting time? Why not invest in real estate? If you even have property you want to sell it, I advise you, hand over it to real estate for them to help you to sell it. If real estate help you to sell it, you will get your own money. Even you will get more than the one you wanted to sell. All the documents you need, everything is there. All the documents you need, everything is there. Why not invest widely? Invest wisely. Invest wisely. Like this one now, you will be the one to sign it. Before your family people will sign it, maybe there you will say put my child name, they will say no, and they say it's the person that is signing it for you, they will be the one to put their name, they will put their name. After everything, they will send you the document. Right now you have the whole file. The whole file is with you. All the document is with you. If you check on your Google, you will see it in your Google. All your file is in Google. You can, which is the one the company has already logged in for you. Even the people that came to inspect the land, they will take their pictures, is there. Even the day you finish paying, they want to give you the land, which is the allocation and everything, the document of the land. Your people will be there. Anyone standing for you, they will snap the picture, they will give it to you. Before, how many people are taking picture of plot of land wey they are dragging lands? Where is your evidence before? Here's your evidence. With this one, you have a lot of evidence. The company are there to sign for you, to stand for you, to even sign the document for you. As you are paying every month, the receipt you forward back to the company, they will also forward it to you. They will process it and forward it to you, and also tell you that they have received it. Immediately your money is complete, you have plot of land. With this process, you will be able to have as many property you want to have. If you want to buy house from them, can be paying gradually, the one they have already finished. Before you know, they finish it. If you also want them to help you to build it, they will be the one building it for you. Before you know, you own your property without 2 year 3 year, or third party did not hear of it. You and your husband will be happy. Most of people now, they are living in this Europe, they don't have land, they don't have property, they just live here. Most of us here, they are living in Europe, they don't have property back home because they try to invest before. Because of what their parents or their family did to them, they decide not to do it. That is not the best. That is not the best solution. You understand? Now you are having family, you still need to try do it again. You need to do it again. You understand? You have lived your life for them long time ago. Now it is time for you to invest for your family. Please do not leave everything for your husband. I know it's very good for we to invest here. Yes, I know it is very very good, but most times, you understand, that one will just be your backbone. I pray God give every one of us long life. You can as well sell it during your old age. You bring the money to here. You bring the money to here, start enjoying yourself. That is what you have saved. Instead of you banking your money in the bank, it will not yield anything for you. It will not hear anything for you now. This is an opportunity. The opportunities our parents did not have. Back then they were just dragging farmland. That was the opportunity they were having. Do you understand? Since I and you have the opportunity, what are we going to show for it? This is what we will show for it. Please, let's invest wisely. If you don't have money, maybe you love this real estate, you really want to do it, there is another means of having property. You understand? There is another means of having property. If you think that even if you buy it now, you will not be able to pay for it, you will go just register with 50 something thousand. If you don't have 52,600, you can as well register with 37,650. You register with that one, you become a realtor to the estate. You keep on helping them to advertise. Anybody that buy land, your own is 15%. Let's assuming you were able to sell land of 1.5 because in Benin now land is 1.5 1.2 by 50 by 100. Some people would like to have 100 by 100. That is 3 million. Imagine 10% of 3 million, 15% of 3 million, what you will gain. You can as well use that one to be helping yourself, but I advise you, it is good to have property back home. Because even if you have already, please help me to share this video, because Many of them are in other country. They are experiencing difficulties. You understand? You know what I mean? Because I don't want to talk much. With this, it will help them. With this, it will help them to say. With this, it will help them to live a good life. It will help them to live a good life. It is better to have something back home. You understand? Even when these European people travel to our country, they were able to bring something from there to here. That is what we all are enjoying now in this place. We should stop condemning our area. It's not good, it's not good. People there are enjoying it. People there are buying house in America. Which is, you said, I want to buy house here, I want to live here, but people there are buying house in Germany, in America, that are living there. You that are living here, you don't have something, you know what I mean. People there, they have a lot, they have enough. They are doing it with this real estate, please now, let us join hands together and help ourselves. Buy for yourself, pay it little, build for yourself. You don't have documents, try this method. If you are afraid to, you don't have bank at home, you don't have documents here, try this method. Try it, it will help you, it will favor you. You have many children here, you don't have anything back home. Try this method. Pay little, start now, invest now. At least before 1 year, you see something, so see one or two things to show off it. You can buy 2 plots, sell 1 plot. What the price is high, because we born every day. Land don't born every day. We born every day. Land don't born every day. It appreciates. You can sell 1 to build 1. My upline, the one that registered me, she was telling me, she said some time ago, about 8 years ago, where in their estate where they are living, they once sell land there 2 million. Right now the land is 20 million. 8 years ago here. Real estate is taking everywhere. Real estate is making things go higher because of the percentage. You like it, you don't like it, you must buy. So people will say, well, I want to buy in cash. It is good to buy in cash. It is really good to buy in cash, but don't wait till next year. Buy now, because that cash, you will be finding it will be difficult. How can you, they will say land is 1.2 this year, you say you will buy in cash, next year it will be 2 million, you say you will buy in cash. When will you buy in cash? It is better to buy now, pay 200, pay 100, pay 50 before 1 year. Maybe when you are planning it next year, I will do it. That next year you will start building it, or that next year you start another one. All the documents you need, they are all here. Stop being afraid. All right, this is what I said. Let me come and share with you. I believe people will hear it. Please contact me for your subscribe. If you want to join as a retail, you want to help them to sell, it is better, inbox me. Just my number is here, call me. If you want to subscribe for your land, you say you don't want to do it, you just want to buy, call me. If you want to do the both the same way I'm doing it, please call me. All right, have a lovely day. Bye bye.